Hey guys, welcome back to video 7 on our Thanksgiving theme. For this video, I'm going to share with you ideas I have for 2 centers in your classroom to make them into a Thanksgiving themed center. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hey guys, today's video is all about the home center and the writing center. For your home center, I would pull together anything Thanksgiving themed that you can think of to make a Thanksgiving feast. So what I would grab would be some plastic fruits and vegetables, some paper plates, and maybe some tablecloths so that they can create their own Thanksgiving feast in the home center. For the writing center, I have a letter matching activity. For this activity, you will write the word Thanksgiving on the top of a piece of paper or any word that goes with Thanksgiving, and then I would give the child cut out letters to match to the word that is written on that paper. I used a die cut to cut out my letters, but you could also find these in coloring books, magazines, or you could write your own letters. Those are my ideas for the home center and writing center. If you have a great idea on how to create a Thanksgiving themed writing center or home center, leave me a message in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.